Here we have the Spyderco Delica 4 with the Emerson opener. This is in VG10 stainless steel with FRN handle scales. And this knife features the 4-point multi-positional pocket clip, so you can literally put it absolutely anywhere you want. And like all other Delicas, this one is in lock back. If you don't know about the Emerson Wave, this is a really cool feature. When you have it clipped to your pocket and you pull it straight back, this little wave feature right here that looks like a bottle opener will catch on your pocket lip and literally force the knife open, and so it will be open literally as you pull it out of your pocket. So it is actually faster than an automatic, or I'd say most automatics, depending on how quick you are with it. Really cool feature. Absolutely love it. Take a look at the website for the current price and all of the detailed specs on it. Thanks for watching.